What's good, guys? Welcome back. This is episode number 4 of Friday Night Flights. I am looking pretty delirious because I just drove back from Palm Beach, sat at my office desk about 6 o'clock at night and just literally started editing the new video, and that's what's rendering behind me is some of the clips that were shot, and a lot of great clips this week. Amazing clips, so much so that I'm going to start a new thing every week where you guys are going to vote on the flight of the night. So that one person I'm going to send a t-shirt to, so you got to vote down in the comment section below. I'll pick a winner by Wednesday of next week. I'll go through and find, how many comments for each video. Some of you guys didn't give me your names or the drones you were using or even the location. So make sure you're giving me that information so I could put it in the tags along with any sort of social media stuff that you want me to include in the links down below. Again, if you want to participate next week, check the description. Everything I'm talking about now, you can go ahead and find to enter for next week. So hope you enjoy episode number 4. I will see you in the next video.